Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside your dome, and staring at a red desert that stretches endlessly under a pale orange sky. No birds chirping, no breeze, just silence and the hum of machinery keeping you alive. Welcome to life on Mars. For decades, scientists and dreamers alike have been captivated by the idea of living on Mars. But why Mars out of all the planets? Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has seasons, polar ice caps, and a 24.6-hour day. Plus, it's close enough, just 34 million miles away at its nearest point, to make travel possible with current or near-future technology. Most importantly, Mars may have once harbored life. It's a frozen time capsule, and if we're going to become a multi-planetary species, Mars is our best first step. But let's be clear, living on Mars is no vacation. Life on Mars will begin underground or inside sealed domes. The atmosphere is thin and toxic, made mostly of carbon dioxide. Without a pressurized, temperature-controlled environment, you'd suffocate or freeze within minutes. Early Martian homes will be built from materials either brought from Earth or harvested locally. Think 3D printed structures made of Martian regolith. Over time, we'll develop larger habitats, complete with farms, laboratories, and communal living spaces. To breathe, we'll need machines like Moxie, an oxygen generator NASA is already testing on the Perseverance rover. It pulls oxygen from carbon dioxide, which Mars has in abundance. Water will be extracted from underground ice or chemically separated from hydrated minerals in the soil. Recycling will be key. Every drop of water and every breath of air will be used again and again. At first, food will be freeze-dried and shipped from Earth. But eventually, we'll grow crops in hydroponic or aeroponic systems, using artificial lights and recycled nutrients. Martian potatoes might sound like science fiction, but experiments here on Earth suggest it's possible. A typical day on Mars will be filled with work, maintenance, and science. Colonists will spend time maintaining life support systems, exploring the surface, and conducting experiments. Others might build infrastructure for future settlers, solar farms, communication towers, or even roads between habitats. Going outside or extravehicular activity will require a pressurized suit and hours of preparation. Even a short walk will be dangerous, but also awe-inspiring. Picture stepping onto dusty plains with Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, looming in the distance. Mars colonists will have to deal with isolation and psychological stress too. With limited contact with Earth, long days, and tight quarters, maintaining mental health will be as critical as physical survival. Entertainment, exercise, and strong community bonds will play a big role. Without a magnetic field like Earth's, Mars offers little protection from cosmic radiation. Long-term exposure can increase cancer risks and damage human cells. That's why early Martian homes may be built underground or covered with thick layers of soil or regolith. Mars is only 38% of Earth's gravity. We don't yet know how that will affect human health over months or years. It could weaken bones, muscles, and even impact circulation and reproduction. Artificial gravity is a possibility, but we're not there yet. A signal from Earth takes 5 to 20 minutes to reach Mars, depending on the two planets' positions. Real-time communication is impossible. This means colonists must be highly independent and capable of handling emergencies without help from mission control. Despite the challenges, the vision for Mars is grand. SpaceX imagines self-sustaining cities with 1 million people. NASA sees science outposts evolving into long-term colonies. Others dream of terraforming Mars, altering its climate to make it Earth-like. That may take centuries, but the first steps are happening now. Rovers explore the surface. Robots test new technologies. The first humans may set foot on Mars within the next 2 decades. Mars won't just be a new home. It will be a new civilization, built from scratch by the boldest humans in history. So, what will life on Mars look like? It will be harsh. It will be risky. But it will also be one of humanity's greatest adventures.